then a 4 behind. The confident surge matching their strides there. Cunningham and Berting racing on the outside. Then another gap by Go Emago. And a long way back to confident surge by some 6 to 7 lengths from back to front. So down the back stretch one is still a pace setter Cunningham. It's Cunningham by a length. It's Cunningham by half a length. Being hassled once again is Berting. Cunningham and Berting, the very tight competition. Then 4 lengths for the back in third position is Go Emago. And closing it now is confident search. And they move to the fourth turn. And it's still Cunningham expanding its speeds now by about 2 lengths. It's 3 seconds is Berting. Go Emago remains in third. And confident search is still last of all as they race the final home turn. Cunningham now pulling away by some 6 to 7 lengths. Over Berting remains in second, trying its best over the outside is Go Emago. Confident search, 50 meters left to go. It's all Cunningham, first run, first win, dominates the first race. Cunningham won a race, and running in second, finishing is Berting. Then comes
Berting jumps off from a good start. Nearing the wire, it's Berting. There she goes, confidence surge with a good start. The finish, confident surge.